Hello viewers, I am Sanjay. Welcome you to my channel Wishing Wings. Friends, in Dublagadi part 1 I showed you how we got here. Now I will show you each and every part of Camp with Care beach camping and Dublagadi sea beach. Let's enter in Camp with Care beach camping. Dublagadi Camp with Care is located at Balasore district in Orissa. Friends, you can see Camp with Care is surrounded by tamarisk forest. Let's go towards our tent. We took 2 tents for 4 of us to stay here. This tent is for Biswajit and me, and the other is for Ovi and Nanduda. Now I am showing you the inside of the tent. Inside of the tent, there are 2 pillows, 1 extension cord, a night lamp and 2 dockets. This tent is spacious and enough for 2 people. Friends, he is Vijay, a member of the staff of Camp with Care Beach Camping. He is offering me welcome drinks. After having welcome drinks, we feel quite fresh, and now we are heading towards Dublagadi beach. Friends, the walking distance from Camp with Care to Dublagadi beach is only 3 minutes. Finally, we have reached Dublagadi beach. Friends, whenever I come to the beach, its panoramic view and the waves of the sea always make me happy. Yes bro, it is indescribable. Friends, here many dead oyster shells are found on the beach.
Viewers, I caught a oyster shell.
Apart from dead oyster shell, sea anemones, sand collars, oysters and moon snail can be found here. Now it is the time of ebb, so the sea is far away from the sea beach. But at the time of high tide, the sea will come closer to the sea beach. On this secluded beach, the joy of taking a deep breath in this beautiful environment is different. There is a language of solitude beach. It can't be heard. It has to be perceived with mind and soul. This is sea anemone, one shot of ocean plant. Friends, this is called sand collar. Due to our daily busy life, when we are in boredom and our mind and soul become restless, at that time it seems like we spend 2 days somewhere in solitude. Those who love to spend a couple of days in solitude, I think this Dublagadi beach is the perfect place for them. After a long walk on the beach, now we are heading towards Dublagadi beach camping. Camp with Care is managed by Gopal Manav. Gopalda and the staff of Camp with Care showed their warm hospitality. They are very friendly and helpful.
Thank you Dada, thanks for coming. Camp with Care Dublagadi.
Friends, see how beautiful Dublagadi Camp with Care beach camping is. Let's take a look around. Apart from the tent, there are 6 washrooms, a kitchen, an open dining shed, and many hammocks are hanging here for swinging and relaxation. Friends, let's go to the kitchen and let's see what are being cooked there. The kitchen is very large and there are also 2 dining tables in the kitchen. Look at the pomfret fish. These are very large in size. I hope it will be very tasty to eat. The pomfret fishes are being fried for making its curry. See how carefully they are making variety dishes. Friends, let's go out. We are in a chatty mood now. After chatting here for a while, we will take a bath one by one. The fun of hanging out in the shade of tamarisk trees is different. Friends, I have come to take a bath now. See how clean the toilet is. I feel very fresh after bathing and now I feel very hungry also. So let's go to the open dining shed. Already our lunch has been served. Nanduda, where have they served my meal? My lunch has been served right next to Biswajit. Friends, let's see what are in today's lunch.
This is the pomfret fish and rice. That is cauliflower curry with peas, and it is, I think, the potato fry and pulse with salad. Okay, it is our today's lunch. So let's get started, bro.
Friends, see how beautifully the dining area has been made. It is fully made of bamboo and straw. The papad has just been served. It is after my mind. I think without it, lunch remains incomplete.
Viewers, I have had my lunch. I will not recommend you. It is a very tasty and very good, but so-so. Okay, it will do.
The lunch was good. After lunch, now I wish to take rest by lying on hammock. Friends, it is evening. Now preparations are underway to make barbecue. The pieces of wood have been set on fire. Now one by one, the pieces of chicken are being placed on the fire. Really bro, seeing this our mouths are watering. We can't wait anymore. We are thinking when it will be served. Friends, finally we have got barbecue. Now it is the turn to have barbecue religiously. The barbecue has been made very well. Friends, it is an enchanting evening. We won't forget it ever. Tonight we'll have at dinner chicken curry, rice and sweets. Today is our second day here. Now it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I am going to take breakfast. Then we'll go to the beach. Viewers, yesterday we came here for one day. So today our checkout time is 11 am. Let's see what are in today's breakfast. Luchi, Grumple's curry and boiled egg. Friends, it is my favorite breakfast, but it would have been better if sweets were given with it. Oh, it is very tasty. Really bro, I am happy with it. After putting the egg in my mouth, I don't understand whether I am in heaven or heaven is in my mouth. Friends, recently Dublagadi beach has become a popular destination for travelers. Dublagadi sea beach is a real hidden gem of Orissa. This beach is recently explored and it is one of the virgin beaches. Friends, I can say with enough bounds, if you come here once, you will be mesmerized by the seclusion of this beach. The cool breeze and panoramic view of this beach will refresh your mind and soul. If you are lucky one, during the new moon, you can watch the fluorescent sea waves.
Now the tide is coming. Yesterday that was the ebb. Now the tide has come. Okay. Look the surf of the sea. The wave is coming one after another.
It is time to return home. Friends, I will return home now with a lot of joy and happiness. Heavenly beauty of turmeric's forest and the ocean will make you compelled to come here again and again. Friends, my mind doesn't want to go back and now I feel sorrow to leave Dublagadi. But I am helpless because I have to go back to the mainstream of life. Definitely I will miss it a lot, but if I ever get another chance, I will come back to this beautiful Dublagadi. It is my commitment.